Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys one easy DIY deep conditioning treatment or hair mask that I use on my hair to keep it super moisturized, extra soft and healthy. So if your hair is a type that easily tangles or gets dry quickly, then make sure to watch this video because you're going to learn a lot that might help you manage your hair better. Welcome back guys. So the very ingredient which is the star of our recipe for today is yogurt. So I just want to point out that in choosing the yogurt you want to use for your hair, make sure to consider this factor, and that is the fact that you have to use unsweetened yogurt, as you can see written here, and Greek yogurt is more ideal, unsweetened Greek yogurt. So having said that, and without further ado, let's dive right into today's video. So in my bowl here, I'm just going to scoop the yogurt in there, and I am going for one cup of yogurt, and this depends on the quantity of hair you have on your head. If your hair is not that full, then you can go with half cup, as the case may be. You know how your hair is, so you can tell what quantity will be good for you. But as for me, I'll be going with the full cup. I have tried using half cup before and it just didn't work. So I'm just using a spoon to scoop the yogurt so I get the correct measurement for the hair mask. So yogurt is naturally high in healthy fats and proteins, which will leave your hair super shiny and loaded with maximum moisture. Yogurt softens the hair, and when I say softens, it softens the hair real good, and you're just going to love how soft your hair is going to be after you use this. So the protein found in yogurt helps strengthen the hair shaft, preventing split ends and hair damage. Yogurt contains lactic acid that helps to hydrate the hair so that after rinsing it, it helps clear away dead skin cells. Yogurt has medical and cosmetic effects on the follicles, scalp, and roots of your hair. Yogurt is packed with several nutrients such as riboflavin and niacin, which help strengthen the strands from the roots, and vitamin B12 that is found in yogurt supports hair growth and prevents dandruff. Yogurt is also a good source of biotin and choline, which helps restore damaged hair while stimulating blood flow to the follicles. So now that I'm done transferring my yogurt into my bowl, we're just going to move on to the next item we'll be adding into this, which is extra virgin olive oil. So olive oil prevents the hair from cell damage. It nourishes and also conditions the hair at the same time to improve its quality. Olive oil reduces hair breakage and prevents dryness. It also improves the quality of the hair and helps it grow much stronger. And one of the reasons why I always love to use olive oil is the fact that it is unrefined and it reduces scalp irritation. So I just went in with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we're just going to move on to the next item. But before then, I want to point out that the quantity of olive oil you use in this remedy is all dependent on the quantity of yogurt you're going to use. So if you're going to use half cup of yogurt, then you can go in with just 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So the next item, which is very important for this remedy, is tea tree essential oil. It is very important, but in case you do not have tea tree oil, feel free to skip it. I just add it here just to get some of the benefits of tea tree oil in my hair, but if you do not have this, then feel free to skip it. So tea tree oil is known to offer antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory benefits, helping with conditions like acne, athlete's foot, contact dermatitis, cradle cap, and more. So tea tree oil also treats dry scalp, it treats dandruff, it prevents hair loss, it boosts hair growth, and it treats head lice. So that's the reason why I'm adding this to this remedy, but the yogurt on its own performs wonders. And guys, I almost forgot to add one very essential item to this, and that is honey. There's no way you're going to be making a remedy to keep your hair moisturized and soft without including honey. It is not possible. Honey is very, very essential for that, and I'm just going in with 1 tablespoon. So honey softens the hair, honey reduces frizz, it improves the condition of natural hair, it restores shine to your hair, it reduces hair breakage, and it moisturizes dry hair and scalp. So you're just going to go ahead and give this a very good mix. Mix it thoroughly so that all the ingredients are well combined. And guys, just by mixing this, you can already feel the fluffiness of the texture. It is super fluffy and soft. I just want to add that there are a number of products on the market that can be used to achieve healthy hair, but then the concern is that many of those products are harsh on your hair. So instead of giving you better results, they damage your hair instead. Fortunately, yogurt is a readily available natural ingredient recommended for natural hair masks and can often provide better results than some store-bought products. So take that from me. So moving on to the second part of our deep conditioning treatment for today, we're just going to go ahead to prepare the water for our final rinse. So in your jug, you're just going to add 2 cups or 3 cups, as the case may be. It depends on how full your hair is, but as for me, I'm going in with 3 cups, and I've already added that into my jar. And the next thing you're going to need is lemon. So we're going to cut this into 2 to squeeze out the juice, because that is what we're going to be using. And lemon contains antioxidants and nutrients that help grow hair from even dormant hair follicles. Lemon has natural antifungal properties that help keep dandruff under control. Lemon contains vitamin C, which boosts collagen production. It contains many other nutrients that strengthen the hair follicles and encourage new growth. Lemon deeply cleanses the scalp and hair follicles. It restores healthy pH levels and removes buildup of products, oils, and pollutants. So that is the reason why we are going to use lemon water for our final rinse. So now that we've gotten our juice, I'm just going to add in 3 tablespoons into my jug of water, and you're just going to add in the quantity of lemon juice that you think is appropriate for the quantity of water that you're going to be using. So when you're done, you're just going to give it a good shake so that the lemon mixes well into the water, and that is it. So guys, I'm going to insert a clip of me applying this deep conditioning treatment on my hair. And guys, don't sleep on this remedy is something I always look forward to applying on my hair, because the way it leaves my hair soft, my goodness. And I want you guys to know that once you apply this on your hair and you're washing it out, you do not need any conditioner. So in case you do not even have a conditioner to use, fret not. Do not worry your pretty head, because once you apply this on your hair and you wash it out using mild shampoo, you do not even need any hair conditioner or detangling conditioner or anything, because as you wash your hair, you just start feeling how soft your hair is. It makes your hair super soft, and shiny. So the trick is when you are applying this, make sure that it covers your entire hair, and you're going to apply it from your roots to your tips, from the roots to the tips, and make sure that it covers your entire hair strands. Don't use it sparingly, use it as much as you can, because if it doesn't cover your hair well, then you might not get the result you're looking for. You may just end up disappointed, feeling like this hack is not a hack, but it actually is a hack. I'm saying this out of experience because I tried using this the very first time I tried this. I didn't use too much yogurt like I mentioned in the beginning, and at the end of the day, after I washed my hair, I had serious hair fall because it didn't condition the hair. Like, it was just too little. So I now decided to start using plenty and make sure it covers your hair entirely. And as you're done, you wash it off, and trust me that your hair is going to love this. It is a very good deep conditioning treatment because it leaves your hair moisturized, it leaves it super soft, and your hair feels healthy. You can already feel how healthy your hair is. So you're going to apply this mask evenly to the scalp and your hair, and leave it on for at least 20 to 30 minutes. And then once you're done, you wash it off with mild shampoo. Don't use too much shampoo because we still need the goodness of this mask in our hair. So use mild shampoo, and when you're done, you use your lemon water for a final rinse. So I'm done now, and I'm just wrapping my hair in a nylon. I just love to do this. OGs on my channel know why I do this, just to trap in some more heat. And I'm just going to let this sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then you wash it out. So I'm just going to go on ahead to cover a shower cap on top of this nylon, and that is it. My hands are so sticky right now. You can see how messy my hands are. So I'm just going to remind you guys to use your lemon water for a final rinse. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.